What's up guys, Nick from VapeMeet here. A newly launched study is looking to determine if nicotine can help improve memory. Check it out in today's episode of Vape News. Since we're talking about memory, don't forget to subscribe to the VapeMeet official YouTube channel to stay up to date with the latest vape news. Now, on to today's video. The study is being conducted by the Center of Excellence for Alzheimer's Disease at the New York Upstate Medical University in Syracuse. The goal here is to see if nicotine can help those affected by cognitive impairment, which is a condition that puts people at higher risk for dementia and Alzheimer's. Similar research already exists, but on a smaller scale. Back in early 2012, a 6-month-long study with 70 participants showed that use of nicotine patches in older adults with cognitive impairment significantly improved their memory, attention, and cognition. There were also no signs of side effects from nicotine withdrawals following the study. The real kicker here was that all participants were non-smokers. This is actually a significant finding, as we often see nicotine villainized in the media when the real dangers of smoking are tar, carbon monoxide, and thousands of other chemicals found in cigarettes.
And it looks like now, because of all the stories we're putting out there about vaping and how there's a lot of unknowns, there's a lot of knowns that are dangerous, people are getting off them, but the only way they can get off them is by going to cigarettes, other forms of nicotine. And we do know that cigarettes have their own health issues, very bad health issues, and so that's not a good way to go.
The new study, which is to be published by the National Institute on Aging, will be much larger with 300 participants across the US. In terms of design, it'll last 2 years and participants will receive either nicotine or placebo patches. For dosing, participants will begin at 3.5 milligrams, increasing to 21 milligrams over 6 weeks, and will stay there until tapering down in the final month. Although this research doesn't directly involve vaping, it could shed some light on nicotine use and improve how it's viewed by the public and media. Additionally, it could provide the shift in opinion we need to let vaping be taken seriously as a smoking cessation tool like in the UK, rather than simply a fad or even a dangerous product. The university is currently recruiting adults over 55 who are non-smokers to participate in the study. If you're interested and meet the criteria, check out the link in the description for more info. What are your thoughts on this study? Let's talk about it in the comments below, and let me know if you'd like to see a follow-up on the results of this study once it's been completed. As always, be sure to like and share this video for more. That's it for today guys. I'm Nick from VapeMeet. We'll see you next time.